myself, Professor Kalpana Painaguni, Assistant Professor of Physics, Government First Grade College, Goka. We will discuss about Otto engine. Otto engine is one type of heat engine and is internal combustion heat engine which absorbs heat energy at constant value. The operations of the Otto engine are called strokes, and Otto engine consists of 4 strokes. So Otto engine is called 4-stroke engine. The 4 strokes or the 4 operations of the Otto engine are the charging stroke, the compression stroke, the working stroke and the exhaust stroke. All these 4 operations of the Otto engine are represented in the PV diagram or in the indicator diagram. Along x-axis volume is taken, along y-axis pressure is taken. A, B, C, D, A is called Otto cycle. E, A is called charging stroke, and the working substance used in the Otto engine is petrol. Along EA, that is charging stroke, the mixture of petrol and air is sucked in and it is taking place at atmospheric pressure. T1 is temperature at A, which is not higher than that of the surroundings. V2 is volume at A. T2 is temperature at B, at which the mixture is fired by the spark. And the specific volume of the working substance remains same, remains constant. But there is a sudden rise in the temperature along this BC. The curve CD represents working stroke, during which along CD, that is working stroke, the gas expands adiabatically and the volume changes to V2, at which temperature falls from T3 to T4. At D, the exhaust valve is opened and pressure falls to atmospheric pressure, and it is represented by the curve dA. A, B is adiabatic compression, C, D is adiabatic expansion. Q1 amount of heat is absorbed and Q2 amount of heat is rejected. Then let us take M is equal to 1 gram of molecule of the working substance. Then Q1 is amount of heat supplied by the combustion process and is given by Q1 equal to CV into bracket T3 minus T2, equation 1, where CV is called specific heat of the substance at constant volume. Q2 is amount of heat rejected and is given by Q2 is equal to CV into bracket T4 minus T1, equation 2. Efficiency of the Otto engine is given by the expression eta is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1. Substituting the value of Q1 and Q2, we will get eta is equal to 1 minus T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. And AB is adiabatic compression. For the adiabatic compression process, T1 Phi2 raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 Phi1 raised to gamma minus 1, where gamma is called as a ratio of specific heats of the substance. See, and therefore T1 by T2 is equal to V1 by V2 whole raised to gamma minus 1. Similarly, CD is representing adiabatic expansion. For this adiabatic expansion process, T3 V1 raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to T4 V2 raised to gamma minus 1. Therefore, T4 by T3 is equal to V1 by V2 whole raised to gamma minus 1. This is equation 5. From these two equations 4 and 5, we get T1 by T2 is equal to T4 by T3 is equal to T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2 is equal to V1 by V2 whole raised to gamma minus 1. Therefore, substituting the value of T4 minus T1 and divided by T3 minus T2, we get eta is equal to efficiency is equal to 1 minus V1 by V2 whole raised to gamma minus 1. We know that V2 divided by V1 is rho and is called as a adiabatic expansion ratio. Substituting the value of rho in this equation, we will get eta efficiency is equal to 1 minus 1 by rho whole raised to gamma minus 1. So this is the expression for the efficiency of the Otto engine, and rho is called as adiabatic expansion ratio. Gamma is called as a ratio of specific heads. This is expression for efficiency of the Otto engine. Thank you very much.